So it is April 22nd right now, and it is 11:05 a.m. And yeah, we are 3 days away or 2 days away from the DSEs. Well, for me it's 3 days, right? Because okay, 22 today, 23, 24. Yeah, so that's 3 days. Because the actual DSEs for me start on 25th. Um. Anyways, uh, the schedule today is not as tight as yesterday's or 2 days ago, a couple of days ago. God damn it. I don't have that many things to do today, but I always do papers, but I never actually have the chance to, correct them. So I'm gonna spend an hour on that, and then I want to finish up the Chinese writing. Hopefully, I will finish up the Chinese writing today because I always don't want to. And that is basically the morning section. For the afternoon section or study session, I have a few things to do. First of all, chemistry 2018. Want to do it, need to do it. 3 days away from chemistry, gotta do it. Up next, we have the Chinese integration past paper and also the LS. I said yesterday that I was gonna do it today, so I'm gonna definitely do it today. And then for the night section, I'm going to do Maths 2017 Paper 2, as well as some Chinese passages. And tonight, hopefully, I can brush my teeth and go to bed at around 12:30, and then I'll wake up at around 6:30 tomorrow morning. Also, about today morning, I actually woke up at 7:15. I set two alarms, one at 7:15 and one at 7:50. And then I woke up at 7:15, turned off the alarm, slept back, and then woke up again at 7:50, turned off the alarm and slept back, and next thing I know, it's already 8:30. And then I was half asleep for like 45 more minutes. So, that's a bit of a problematic, but other than that, I will be correcting the post Mach 6, and hopefully it's not as disastrous as post Mach 4, which is quite the disaster if you remember. Alright, just finished correcting post Mach 6. For the multiple choice questions, I got a 29 out of 36, which is actually pretty damn great if you ask me. For the long questions, I got a 65 out of 84, which is also pretty damn great, not gonna lie, 77.38%. And overall, I got a 94 out of 120, which is 78.33%, which is pretty damn great. This is so much easier. This paper is so much easier. Leagues easier than post Mach 4. I got 65% on post Mach 4 and 78% here. A whopping 13% jump. You can really see the difficulty discrepancy between these two papers. I think I've done post Mach 7. I'm gonna correct it now. Yeah, except I can correct it later because, according to schedule, I should be doing Chinese writing now, or actually 10 minutes later. And I don't have the solution now. We need to do stuff. I got 32 out of 36 for post Mach 7 MCs. Holy shit. And even without the guesses, I got 30 out of 36, which is like the best I could possibly do. So, like, come on. Okay, so say 32 out of 36. 88.88%, okay? That's angelic. That's majestic. Alright, time to do some Chinese writing. Okay, so instead of doing Chinese writing, I actually I remembered that I haven't corrected my chemistry 2017. So here we are. MC's 30 out of 36. Fuck yeah. Long questions 67 out of 84. Not bad, not bad at all. In fact, pretty damn great. And overall 97 out of 120. 80.83%. Hell yeah. DSE 2017 80.83%. This shit is 5-star level. 80.83%. Hell yeah. I'm super happy. And I hope I can keep it up. I hope I can keep this up. But I still don't understand why did I fuck up Post Mach 4 so bad. It's just so hard. It's so fucking hard. But yeah, of course I'll do the I'll do the thing. Alright, I've just printed Chemistry 2018 and Math 2017, Paper 2, and I'm gonna do it now in 2 hours, even though in reality you get 2.5 hours. Actually, I high-key want to do the 2018 Paper 2 as well, the electives paper. I don't know if I have time, but if I do, I'll definitely do it, because we have 3 days left, dude. Here we go. Alright, here we go. This is very exciting. This is not very exciting. Alright. Calculator ready. Let's go. Alright. This is 2018. First question. Which of the following processes is not suitable for extracting sodium chloride? I say electrolysis. Why would you... Okay, this is better. Electrolysis, of course. I mean, fractional... What? Yeah. Neon exists as a gas at room temperature and pressure because neon is chemically inert. Molecules are monoatomic. The attractive force between neon atoms is weak. The outermost shell electron has an octet structure. I mean, all of them are correct. But I think the best one is which answer is the best one? It's a gas because they're monoatomic probably. This is the good one, yeah. A certain massive example of silver oxide is strongly heated in a test tube. Which of the following shows the relationship of the mass of the contents in the test tube with time? So it should be less and less because I think it's D, but hold on. Is it really D though? I don't know. Cause silver oxide... Wait a second, have I done this? Wait a second, have I... Oh, wait, hold on. Have I done this before? Hold on a minute. Hold on. Oh my god, I think I've done this. I think I've done this, though. I think I've done this. Oh my god. 3 pieces of paper. I've done this. Okay, you know what? Since I've already printed it out, I'm gonna still do it anyways and then compare this score to the same, to the other score. Because I've already done this before, like 3 months ago. But I'm gonna redo it again, hopefully as quick as possible then. Okay, 8 grams of sulfur dioxide contains N molecules. How many molecules? Oh, I think I got this one wrong. I'm pretty sure this one is A or something. I'm trying to remember them now. Okay, I'm gonna do this the right way. 8 grams of sulfur dioxide. Alright, sulfur dioxide. Shimata. 0.125. 2 grams of oxygen gas. Okay. Wait, what the frick? Oh, duh. I forgot to. O2. Shoot. Oh, it's D. I am dumb. Leave me alone. Alright. High speed. Let's go. High speed. Alright. Quartz is harder than dry ice because quartz is dry and it's either C or D. Quartz is a giant network structure. It's a giant covalent structure. The silicon bond is strong. And dry is weak. Wrong. It's C. Let's go. Dilute sodium hydroxide solution is added to 0.1 mole rhodium cube solution until the next, which of the following combinations are correct. Zinc sulfate to sodium hydroxide, white precipitate formed. Wait, so sodium hydroxide in excess, aluminum, lead, zinc. So lead wrong, zinc wrong, calcium. Yeah, calcium, because iron 3 is yellowish brown. Which of the following statements are iron, magnesium is correct? Iron does magnesium is not. Iron will less readily than magnesium. Wrong. The abundance of magnesium is higher than that of iron in the earth crust. Wrong. Both magnesium and iron can have more oxidation number. Wrong. So I'm going to go with A. Which of the following molecular formulae can represent an alkanoic acid, or, you know, carboxylic acid, so OOH. So it can be B, C, D, but of course I have no idea, because why would I have any idea? Alright, so let's say this. Then we got 1, 2, 3, C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6, O2. So I think it's C then. Yeah. Okay, XYZ are different metals when they are placed separately in NaCl. Only Y gives colorless gas bubbles when each of their oxides is heated strongly enough. Only the oxide of X gives colorless gas. Oh my god. I don't want to. Okay, so you know what? I am just going to do the section B instead, because I've already done section section A. Yep, I have already done section A. As you can see, I tried to write Arabic for fun. 26 out of 36. Look. Oh, first question is B. It says most suitable, not suitable. I'm dumb. What the heck? This one is D. I'm correct. I've done this. I told you I've done this. Yes, it's C. What? Oh, this one's B. Duh. I'm dumb. I'm dumb also. Less readily. C. Yeah, I've done this shit. I've done this shit. Oh, so I'm just gonna directly do this instead, and hopefully I get something along the lines of an 80%, like for 2017. All right, let's go. Lithium occurs naturally into Wait, have I done this? Yo, I'm feeling deja vu right now. I'm feeling so deja vu right now. I don't know. I've done so many chemistry papers. I wouldn't be surprised if I've actually accidentally done this. Anyways, lithium occurs naturally in 2 isotopes. You can't see anything, of course. 6 lithium and 7 lithium. It can form lithium nitride when burnt in air. Calculate the percentage abundance of 6 lithium in nature. Oh. Let X% and Y% be the percentage abundance respectively for 6Li and 7Li, lithium 7. So 100 minus Y equals X. So we got that established. And then the relative atomic mass of lithium is 6.969. Very nice. And 0.01 x plus times 6 plus 0.01 y times 7 equals to 6.9, right? So it becomes 0.06x plus 0.07y equals to 69, and then x equals to, okay, so 100 minus y plus 0.0y equals 69. This is just maths at this point. Okay, so this becomes this, I guess. I'm afraid that I'm miscalculating something. I don't think I'm miscalculating anything, though. All right. This is 0.9 equals to 0.01y. So y equals to 90. So x is 10. So it's 10%. Yeah. Yeah. Draw the electron. Here we go, bros. Here we go. All right. This is easy. What? Lithium nitride. 3 of this, and then yep, like this. Boom, I've done this. Easy. Let's go to the next page. Easy. All right. 1b, still question 1. 1.25 grams of lithium nitride is formed when a piece of lithium is burnt in air. Chemical equation, easy. All right. Wait, it's not that easy, is it? Lithium, nitrogen, comes Li3N. Lithium nitride, though. Lithium nitride, I believe it is, I believe it's solid, right? Yeah, I believe it's solid. And then, 6.2, yeah. Calculate the mass of lithium that reacted with nitrogen. Okay, so, number of moles of Li3N. Am I doing anything wrong? I'm paranoid as fuck right now. Number of moles of lithium nitride. So 1.25 over, because 1.25 grams over, shit, 6.9, right? Yep, 6.9. 1.25 over 6.9 times 3 plus 14. 3 plus 14 equals to 0.0360 moles. So the mass of the lithium required is 0.063 times 3 times 6.9 equals to 0.746 grams. I think this is the right answer, right? I hardly ever mess this one up. If I somehow mess this one up, it's going to be very embarrassing. Name another compound that will also be formed when lithium is burnt in air. Lithium oxide, that would be. But I wouldn't risk writing the formula. Haha, biology for the win. I'm pretty sure that everybody who doesn't study biology is going to be a little bit confused when they do this one, but I'm not. Alright, an experiment was performed to determine the number of water of crystallization. I should put it closer right here. N in a sample of hydrated sodium tetraborate. 0.452 grams of the sample was dissolved completely in about 50 centimeters cubed of deionized water in an apparatus X. The solution obtained was alkaline and was immediately titrated in X with 0.125 mHCl using methyl orange. 18.89 of the acid to reach the endpoint. Name X. What the conical flask. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Is it conical, or is it volumetric? Is it immediately in X? Immediately titrated in X. You titrate against a conical flask. It has to be a conical flask. State the color change at the end point of the titration. So you need an acid to reach the end point. Methyl orange. So it goes from yellow to orange. Yep. Now the fun part, calculation. I love calculation. It is known that the reaction during the titration, the mole ratio. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the mole ratio. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, number of moles of HCl reacted first, and it's 0.15. 0.125 times 18.98. Yep. So the results should be very small. Okay, so it's 2.37 times 10 to the power of -3 mole. Now we got the number of HCl reacted. Okay, wait. Then what next? So before it's like this, dissolve in water. It doesn't react with water, of course, because it's already alkaline in and of itself. Okay, shoot. Alright, then the next step would be to find B4O7, tetraborate ion, the number of moles of tetraborate ion, I guess. If that makes any sense. Okay. B4O7. So it is times 1/2, right? Because of course. 9. All right. And then up next, I will be doing the I'm going to find the number of water of crystallization N. So 0.452 over, right? 23 times 2 plus boron is 18.8 times 4 plus 16.7 plus 18N equals to 1.19. Like this. There's no dilution. It did not happen. Alright, so now we have this here, and then we got to do 0.452 over it. Okay, and then minus 23 this thing, minus 10.8 times 4, minus 16.7, and then divided by 18. Hey, it's 10. N is 10. Boom, I already found it. So it's 4:41 p.m. right now. I have completed the long questions for chemistry 2018. I don't know why, but I keep on doing the same fucking essay question over and over again, where I have to explain which of these oxides are acidic or basic or amphoteric. Dude, I've done this 3 times already. Leave me alone. All right. You know what? Since I have 15 minutes spare, I want to do the paper too, but then at the same time I'm really tired, so I don't know what the hell am I gonna do. I actually really want to do Chinese writing, but I am not in the mood. You know what? I'm gonna postpone it tomorrow because I feel because today I have a tight schedule. I feel a little anxious as well. So if I leave it to tomorrow, maybe I'll have, a little more, a little more space to think. I feel like right now is not a good time for Chinese writing, so I'll do it tomorrow. I'm pretty sure our Chinese teacher will have the time to read it and correct it and stuff. Anyhow, um, yeah, I'm gonna do the paper two of chemistry 2018. Also, I am later. I'll do the Chinese integration past paper, or actually Chinese writing. If I have the mood, I don't know. And then the LS, and then at night I'm gonna do math, some Chinese passages. We're done. I just uploaded the DSE before the DSEs part 5 video. It's over an hour long. I'm fucking crazy, I know. It's about to be 7:20 p.m. I did watch a very long. I didn't do an English, a Chinese integration past paper because I thought I'm not familiar with the skills yet, so I don't want to test myself immediately. Second of all, I only know one or two Chinese integration past papers, so I don't want to do them now. I want to do them maybe a week later when I am closer to the Chinese integration exam. Um, I didn't do the LS, obviously. I got carried away a little. I watched a bit of YouTube, and I gotta, you know, uh, yes, I did this, the long questions for 2018. Um, but I originally planned to not do paper two, but then Natalie suddenly texted me that she got 29 out of 40 and asked if it's too low. Like, come on, what the fuck? It's great. It's fucking fantastic. I don't like it. Okay, stop being good. And then she said she added 3 more marks or something. So it's 31 or something. Like, stop being good. Like, I hate it when the people I know are better than me, you know? Look, I'm dramatizing this, okay? But the envy is, you know, at the end of the day, ultimately, this isn't. This is actually a war between me and every single other individual out there who is about to battle the DSEs. But I don't want to see it that way because it's really toxic. Um, yeah. So you know what? Fuck that competition spirit. But what we need to conquer aren't our own species. It's paper. We need to conquer this thing, okay? We print them out. We beat it to a pulp with a pen, with a pencil, with an eraser, and we beat it good, okay? Now, I got I think nine papers. No, actually 11. Yeah, 11. Um, chemistry 1, 2, physics 1, 2, biology 1, 2, LS 1, 2, Chinese 1, 2, 3, 4, English, not 4, English 1, 2, 3, and maths 1, 2, and then LS 1, 2. 18. 18 papers. 18 enemies. Different shapes and different colors and different sizes, and we gotta just defeat them all. But of course, we need to go in with strategy, with attitude, with spirit, with good energy. We gotta go in with all cylinders fired up at maximum. I want my brain to load in its highest speed possible. Highest in my life ever. Okay? I want my knowledge to be as vast and as masking as possible. Okay? I want my I want my mind to be as menacing as possible when I glide and shadow over these terrifying, okay, soul crushing numbers and words and lines and whatevers, you know. Anyways, I'm dramatizing the whole thing. I'm gonna do paper 2 2018 real quick, 1 sec, and I don't know if I can correct it or not. Maybe I'll correct it tomorrow, but I'm gonna do that. And then I'm definitely gonna do some LS, but only some, because I realized that it's not a great investment to do that much LS. And after that, Chinese writing, of course. And then maths 2017, and then we're just gonna sign off, you know, give myself a little rest, you know, a bit of humanity, a bit of sanity, okay, just a bit. I don't need much sanity, just a bit, just to keep me on the edge of my life. Just a bit of sanity, you know, just a pinch of salt. I have completed the Chemistry 2018 paper 2, and also at the same time I have, not at the same time, after dinner I have checked out LS a little bit, final fucking plea. And while I don't think I'm getting much from it because it's still a haze, at least I'm trying to sort of put together some points. Also, as you can see, a lot of stuff are blank because I didn't give a shit about, you know, copying stuff from the blackboard. It's already 10 something p.m., 10:03 p.m., 10:05. I don't know if I have the time to do 2017 paper 2. Maybe it's a little time consuming. I do not know. Yeah, or I can actually do half of it. I don't mind. But, you know, being within the time constraint is, of course, a little better. But I feel like it's already so late. You know what? I'm going to finish the Chinese writing today, but I'm not going to do the maths today. I can push it to tomorrow. And there are actually not that many things to do tomorrow. There are not that many items. Because I want to put myself in a really good mood before the battle begins. But yeah, let me show you some LS. Let's go. So this one is about personal development and interpersonal relationships. I don't think this one's that important because everybody knows about this. But oh look, it's intimacy, commitment, and passion. Yada yada. This is the most bullshit subject ever. This subject doesn't even exist in America and in any other European place, or I think only a small bit in Asia have this thing. Anyways, this is LS. This is modern China and globalization. Very annoying, I know. So we got a bunch of articles, some photos. Political and institutional factor. China participated actively in global community, World Heritage Committee, and UNESCO. Alright, so UNESCO heritage sites. And I didn't even fill in all these. US, areas of cooperation, normalization, 1979, stuff like this. Southeast Asia, I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, what's this? This is, related to energy. Boring. But this one's big. This one's big. Arguments for the abolition of household registration system. Okay, huge financial and social burden. Needs to build more schools and hospitals, unable to attain the cost and stuff. Oh look, oh this is important. What the heck? This is fucking important. Reform and opening up, environmental impacts, social impacts, economic impacts, cultural impacts, political impacts, yada yada. What's this one? China's reform and opening up. Oh, not about China again. Alright, so all this stuff. We still have a lot more of these terms, you know. Also, a huge pro-Hong Konger news media outlet just made an Instagram live about DSE. Bye! So I just finished editing the DSE. Before the DSE's part 6 video, it's very long. I should stop doing this. Anyways, it's already 12 It's already 12:17 right now. I mean, it says 12:20, and I have to reverse calculate it. It's 12:17. And yeah, still haven't done the Chinese writing. Not in the mood, not at all. I'm anxious as hell. I was eating spicy food today at dinner, and it was so spicy. I don't know if it's because the food is spicy, or is it just me and my brain. But I kept breathing. I was like like a dog. And at first I was doing this because it was spicy and I want, you know, air to go in, and I want to, lose the heat, lose the spice. And I did this so much. Like I so much I started to feel lightheaded, and I started to feel tingly, numb senses in my fingers, both hands. It's like I'm losing blood. And at one point I was sweating, and it was like this really terrible moment where I'm just stuck for some reason in this in this in this moment. It was quite scary, but then I calmed down, and then I'm cool again. And it's not like I haven't tried this food before. It's like it's basically pork skin. Um uh yeah, like it's yeah. Um, and every time I eat this food, I wouldn't panic this much, but I don't know. It's that one time. It's that one time I panicked this much. I don't know why. Um, again, haven't finished Chinese writing. I know, shame on me. Also, LS, I actually did do a slight, just a tad bit more revision by looking at some examples and notes. And I didn't really do Chinese passages, revision, but I did dig out this book from that stack of thing, and I thought I should study some the longest passage in the entire 16 in the entire syllabus out of the 16 passages is the how do I explain this in English? Um During the warring states, when the seven nations are at war after the Chao dynasty, um this weird. One of the generals in Jiao or Jiu, um, went to Emperor Qin, who later won, of course, later won the entire war and became, like a really cruel person, cruel emperor. And he was like, Emperor Qin was like, "Yo, you guys give me this gemstone, I give you some land." But they don't know if he's lying or not. That's basically the premise, and it's very long. Whatever. Right now it's 10 a.m. 10:05 a.m. on April 23rd. We are 2 days, okay, 48 hours, actually less than 48 hours. Actually, technically, not technically, precisely, okay, precisely 45 and a half hours from our first battle. So I did wake up at 6:10 today, 6:10 a.m., and I fell back asleep, and then woke up again at 6:50, and then fell back asleep, and then woke up around 7 something, and I truly got out of bed around 8 a.m. I'll wake up earlier tomorrow, trust me. Um, and what I planned for yesterday, I actually didn't. I didn't study for 8 hours, only seven, about seven. And I don't think today I'm gonna study that much either. I think today I'm gonna be able to reach seven. I don't think I'm gonna be able to reach eight. What am I gonna do today is I'm gonna do chemistry post mocks 8 and 9. And yeah, I had a conversation with Natalie yesterday, and Natalie said that I can do it. I can do it. Uh, to complete the postmarks. So 8 and 9 today, and tomorrow I'm gonna do chemistry postmark 10, as well as the ultimate chemistry DSEs 2019. I'm gonna make a very long video where I do paper 1 and correct it, and same for paper 2. Also, I would like to do some English revision today, some English reading and English writing, because why the fuck not? I want to revise something lighter today, so I'll do that. And also I want to do maths. Maths 2017, paper 2. Duh, I haven't even done that. But originally in the schedule, I wanted to do maths trial 3. But I think I don't have time today, so I'm gonna postpone that. So yeah, I'll fix my schedule up a bit, and then also my mom has a huge Zoom meeting now, so I can't print any papers, so I have to do the chemistry postmark papers in the afternoon. So I'm gonna do 8 in the afternoon and 9 after dinner. I don't think that's too much, okay? Like, come on. 3 exams a day? So, come on. Alright, time now is 11 a.m. and I'm going to complete this whole thing. Let's go. Alright, I've done questions 1 to 3, as you can see. Now I'm going to do question 4, 1 over pi hypercubed is, okay, so decimal places first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, also right. 3 significant figures, A is wrong. 4 significant figures, B is also wrong. 5 decimal places, this is wrong. 10266, okay, it's D. Alright, the solution of this thing, okay, so -3, -3x, and then -3 minus 6, -9, and then I gotta flip this and turn it into x is larger than 3, also this. And then for this, it's this thing, and then this is this, and then flip it around. So x has to be larger than 3 and smaller than 9. So I guess it's a D. Again? What the frick? What the fuck? Okay. It's weird. It's weird. Oh my god. Why are you making me do this? Okay, so this thing plus k minus this thing plus k. So I guess it is wait, is it just z? Wait, what the heck? I'm confused. I don't know if it's because I'm sleepy, or is it because I'm really just confused. But I'm not really. I don't. Wait, then it's just 0 then. What the heck? I'm dumb. Alright. This thing, C is a constant, Px is divisible by this thing, find the remainder. Okay. So, this thing, C equals 0, so C equals 2. You can see what I'm doing, right? Alright, so C equals 2, this thing, C is -21 then, right? And then when this is divided by 2x plus 1, which is x equals to -1 over 2. So and then -21, -15. B. Alright. If m and n are constants such that this, oh my god, not one of these questions again. You're joking, right? Alright, mx plus m plus 28 equals to mx x plus 3 plus n x minus 4. Then it's mx squared plus 3mx plus nx minus 4n, I guess. Oh my goodness. Okay, so m is 4 now, and then 3m plus n equals to m. So n equals 2, because 3 times 4 is 12. 4 minus 12 is negative 8, so n's got to be negative 8. And then negative 4, negative 8. Wait, what? Oh, negative 4, negative 8 is 32. And m is 4, so 4 plus 28, also 32. Genius. All right. M is negative 8. I am correct. There are two ways to calculate this. The figure shows the graph of y equals to this thing, where p and q are constants, which is... All right. Oh my god. X has to be positive, right? No, P has to be positive. Because... No, wait, what the wow. No, the X coordinate of the vertex is negative, right? So P has to be positive in order for X to be negative. So P is positive, and then Q is simply the y coordinate, the vertex of the y coordinate. So Q has to be negative. So P positive, Q negative, C. And then up next, a sum of 2,000 is rate and per annum for 4 years, compounded half yearly, interest correct. All right. So 2,000 times 1 plus 5%, except the 5% is compounded half yearly. And then so after 4 years, 8 times 2, 4. Oh wait, minus 2,000, 436. So it's C. Yeah. Scale of a map is 1 to 20,000. The area of a zoo on the map is 4 cm square. Then the actual area of the zoo, oh my god. We're going to turn the 4 cm square into a meter square first. And to do that, I need to do 100 square it. So this is the, how many meter squares? Yeah, and then, wait a second. I've done this before, but I don't... Oh my god. Okay, so 4 cm is actually this many cm in real life. And then this thing over 100. Or actually, I should make it a 2. Let's say it's 2 by 2. And then do this, and then I square it. So wouldn't that make it a B? I'm not sure. Okay, one sec. What the frick? Area on the map is 4 cm square, which is now which is this much cm square in real life. And since it is this many times, oh, I feel like I'm missing a step though. I feel like I'm missing a step. I don't know. I'm gonna just do the method that I did earlier. Area is so for this thing, and then over 100 times this thing, and then square it again. Alright, next. Is it given that y is the sum of 2 parts, 1 part? Alright. I've done questions like this before. When x is 1, 7, k1, k2, x is 2, y is 13, equals to k1, 4, k2. So in this thing, k1 equals to 7 minus k2. So 13 equals to 7 minus k2 plus 4k2. So this thing is 6, 3k2, k2 is 2, and then k1 is 7 minus 2, so it's 5. So if x is 3, then k1 is 5, k2 is 2, and then 3 is 23. That is C. Yeah. In the figure, oh, this is easy. Duh. For any positive integer n by adding 2n plus 2. So first pattern is 1. And the second pattern is 2n plus 2, right? So 2n plus 2. Oh, shoot. What the frick? Oh, so I guess the next one, then it's 10, right? Is it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the hell? Oh, duh, 2, right. So this is the third pattern, right? Fourth pattern. Fifth pattern. 6, 7, 55. In the figure D, oh yeah, okay, so D is a point lying on AC such that BC, blah, 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 blah. AC is 14, BD is 12. Oh, wait a second. No, AC is 14. The whole thing is 14. If the area of ABD is greater than the area of BCD by 24, oh my god, what the heck? So, oh my god, okay. So let's say DC is X, right? DC is X. So 12x over 2 plus 24 equals to 14 minus x times 12 over 2, right? So now we have 6x plus 24 equals to 6 times 14, 84 minus 6x. So now 12x equals to 84 minus 24. It's 60. So x is 5, right? Yep. So, okay, I gotta double check this, even though in real life we don't have that much time. So 14 minus 5, 12, 2. All right. So the perimeter of ABC then is, okay, 12 and x is 5, so this has to be 13. 14 minus 5 is 9, so 9, 12, 15, right? So it becomes 14, 15, 13, 13, 14, 42. B. All right. The base radius of a right cylinder cone is 2 times the base radius of a right circular cylinder. Yep. While the height of these circular cylinders, oh, so it's super tall, right, is 3 times than the height of the right circular cone. If the volume of the circular cone is 60 pi, then the volume of the circular, oh, not circular cone. I'm going insane. Alright, so, what am I gonna do is, I'm gonna do, 2r square pi, oh, I should do 1 over 3h, right? Okay, so h, 1 over 3h, 2r square pi times 1 over 3h times 1 over 3 equals to 36 pi, right? So, okay, this h is so ugly. What the frick? H. Okay, so for 4r square times h times 1 over 9 equals 36. So now 36 times 9 over 4 is 81. So 81 is basically r squared times pi. R squared times h, right? So the formula for cylinder is basically pi r squared times h. So it's just 81 pi. C. Alright, okay, this is tough. A, B, C, D, okay, you need to see this. This is good shit. Okay, A, B, C, D, and B, D, F are parallelograms. E is a point lying on BC such that BE to EC is 2 to 3. So BE to EC is 2 to 3. Now, AC cuts BF and DE at G and H respectively at the area of ABG. So ABG is 155. Then the area of the quadrilateral DFEH is. So this is a classic, right? We cannot look at it like it's a parallelogram. We need to look at it as if it's a rectangle. So if this is 2, then this has to be 2 as well, and 3 as well. Now, if we have 2 and 3 here, wait a second. Okay, see, this is tougher than you think. Okay, this is tougher than you think. Like if you turn it into rectangle, right? You do this, and then you do this, and then you do this, right? 2, 3, 2, 3. All right. So first of all, I guess it's safe to say that between this point and this point, it's like 2. If we turn it into rectangle. So 135 times 2 over 2 is still 135. So this side is 135, I guess. I don't know if this is the right way to measure it, but I guess it is a way. Okay, so we have that out of the way. 3, 5. Okay. So now what we gotta do is we gotta find the area of FGA, and because we see 2, 3, 3, 2 here, you can actually turn this into this to this is actually 3 to 5, right? Okay, so I kind of gave this question up. I used 2 different ways to calculate this one, the height and the width, and both ways also gave me 126.6, which is not in the option, so I kind of gave this one up. But I used to know this. I used to know how to do this, I swear. Anyways, for the one below, I cracked it, found 13, even though it looks kind of complicated, and I believe that there is a more simple way. Despite my very tired state of mind right now, I managed to score a 39 out of 45 for maths, which is pretty fucking satisfying, not gonna lie. The ones at the back are so easy. The ones with the standard deviation, like you just need to know how to use a calculator. Then you're cool. You know, you don't need to think for those ones. This one I have a bit of trouble doing. This one. A bit of trouble doing this one, and a bit of trouble doing this one. as you can see, look. Let O be the origin. The coordinates of points P and Q are P0 and 0Q. Respectively, P and Q are positive numbers. Now, the incenter of OPQ lies on the straight line 3x plus 4y equals 3p. So you don't know the center, you don't know the incenter of the triangle, you don't know the lengths of P and Q, but you know that the incenter lies on a straight line, and you don't even know what is the y-intercept of the straight line other than 3 over 4p. I managed to find the ratio with the between the length of p to the radius of the incenter in circle, or actually the coordinates of the incenter, but I still can't find Q. So so here are my here's some of my English writing exercise that I've done. I got a 19 out of 21 here, which is pretty great. This one is a short story. If you know me, you know that I like to do short stories. I got a 20 out of 21, but because I handed in late, so it became 18. Okay, this one's not so good. This one, oh shoot, this is shit. Isn't this is a friggin' 16 out of 21? This is quite bad. What the heck? I guess it's because it wasn't appropriate enough. It's a speech, and I've said things that I shouldn't have said in the speech. So yeah, today I'm going to do this, and then afterwards I'm gonna do this, and then 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 I'm gonna do this. All of these and more today. Let's go. Let's go. We are printing all of them except for papers 2, papers 2 and papers 2, because I can just look at my phone, because we have no answer sheet for that, but we have answer sheet for this. And these are the MCs. Already I spent 16 A4 blank A4 papers to print all this, and I'm gonna be doing the postmark 8 now, and I'll be doing postmark 8 now, the MCs, and I will time myself, and I will finish at around right now it's like 3:20-ish. I'm gonna finish at around 5:30-ish. I wanna finish the paper 2 as well if I have time, and then afterwards I'm going to Chinese writing. All right. Hydrated salt contains 20. Okay, I should grab my thing first. Yeah. You're gonna start off the friggin' paper with a calculation question. Are you insane? Hydrated salt contains 20.9% of water by mass, given that the formula mass of salt is 7. What is the value? And wait, the salt not including the N, or including the N? Wait. Oh, so 7. Oh, duh. It's easy. Duh. So this. All right, I finished all 36 of the multiple choice questions. It's pretty darn easy. All right, let's move over to oh, only 13 questions. Nice. Wait. No, not this stupid thing again. Oh my god. Let's go. Yeah, I got a 34 out of 36 for the MCs. I only got 2 wrong. Okay, this is too easy. This is too fucking easy, okay? Like 2 days later, I'm gonna be out there on the battlefield and I'm gonna fuck up. But this is so beautiful. This is so Olivia level. I mean, if Olivia does this paper, or Leah or Kingsley, I mean, they're gonna get like 37 out of 36 because they're inhuman. But still, this is fucking beautiful. All correct. All correct, other than this one, because I didn't see lump and powder, so I didn't know that the rate of reaction is faster. I'm careless. All correct. All correct other than this one, because I was dumb. All correct. All correct. So I corrected the long questions, got a 67 out of 84, pretty great. And overall, 101 over 120, suck it, baby. That sounds weird. 84.16%, 17%. That's actually extremely great. Hopefully the DSEs are just as easy. But if it's just as easy and the line is curved, then I may still suck. But hey, this is a promising sign, not gonna lie. I just put all my all the chemistry papers that I've done in the past few weeks together. I'm not even proud of this. It's too much. I'm overworking myself. I'm going insane. I'm losing my sanity. But I've done so much chemistry. Look at this. So much. And there's more. I'm gonna do 3 more within the next, within the next 36 hours. So yeah. Work hard. Work hard. So it is 6, about to be 6:30 right now. So it is 6:30 right now, and well, almost 6:30, and we are we are we are 38 hours away. Yes, we are 38 hours away from the DSEs. 38. For people who are going to take the visual arts exam, they are 14 hours away. But right? Is it really 38? You know what? Let's calculate it. So tomorrow I have a full day, 24. In the morning I have 8.5. Right now it's already 6:30, so 5.5. Exactly 38. My brain is a calculator. 38 hours until the DSEs. So I think it's good enough. I think I'm good enough. But I'm gonna fill myself to the 2019 chemistry paper, and so yeah, that's basically what I did today. I'm also gonna. I don't know if I should do the Chinese writing or not. I feel like it's a little too heavy for me right now. I'm gonna do a little Chinese passages later, revise that a little later. I'm gonna register all the scores here onto a giant Google spreadsheet, and I'm going to do post-mock 9 later as well, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do I guess a little more English revision, just a tad bit, of LS, and then I'm going to be doing 2019 and post-mock 10. Corrected my 2018 chemistry paper 2. Didn't do too well. Got a 27 out of 40, 67.5%. It's not terrible, but I think it's not good. For industrial chem, 14 out of 20. And for analytical, 13 out of 20. Actually, barely, which is very, very, very problematic. As you can see, I've made some glaring mistakes here and there. Especially for the calculation parts, which are usually the parts where I'm a little more confident about. And so is this one. So is this calculation part. The activation energy calculation. Anyways, I need to have dinner now. Bye. I just corrected my chemistry 2018 long questions paper, and I got a 73 out of 84 for long questions, which is pretty great. Actually, extremely great. Now here's a problem. I also corrected the paper 2 a little earlier, and it's not that great. So I think I need to work on that. Like, seriously work on that. So I'm going to do postmark 9 now, the MCs, the long questions, and the paper 2. And by around 10:30, I will finish them. And I will take a rest. I don't want to spend too much time on revising. I know that's crazy, right? But like, life, at the end of the day, life is so much more than just, exams. Even though this is a very important, ultimate epic battle, I feel like if I waste too much time on this, I will somehow regret something. So, adequate amount of dedication is enough. Dude, what the fuck? I've done all this before. The whole carbon and graphene, I've done this. Titanium, fractional distillation of liquefied air. Dude, what's this? Have I done this? I think I have. I don't think I've done this though. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just skip them then, because it's dumb. It's dumb. Have I done this? I feel like I've done something similar. What the hell? It's all the same. They're recycling the same questions over and over again. Okay, for sure I haven't done this. Oh, I've done this. I have done... Dude, oh, I've done this earlier today. Did I? I think it's slightly different. What the I've done this. I've done this. What the hell? Okay, this is not... I've not done this. What the fuck? I am so fucking mentally exhausted right now. You have no idea. Like these, I've done like 15 of these in the past couple of weeks or so. Like, and every question is so similar, yet so annoying. It's like, god damn. Okay, I'm. Oh my gosh. I don't want to think. I don't want to think anymore. It's about to be 12:40 after midnight. Something really weird happened. I was going through Instagram looking at people's stories, and Ben, one of the most popular students in our school, the whole school, right? Big guy, a lot of people likes him, people's person, Ben. He reposted a video, a post made by a huge Instagram account, which is this, organization, a bunch of Hong Kongers basically, and they're like kind of like comedians ish, and they post videos, about jokes and little travel guides and food guides or whatever. And so I looked at the story. He reposted it because essentially they made a video telling us, the DSE fighters, the DSE soldiers, to, you can do it, man. Don't die. Don't die. They didn't say don't die, but they, they hoped for the best for the exam fighters, us. I looked at the story and I thought, wait, this is a very familiar face. Have I seen him before? And in fact, I have. One of the guys in the organization actually played a character in my movie, in a movie that I filmed in 2017. And he's like famous now. I didn't even know that. And a lot of people follow the group. A lot of people follow them. Like even Mary. Holy shit, Mary, Caroline, Like, a lot of popular people follow them. Like, uh, just, I don't know, Ben and Grant. I don't know, just a bunch of people follow them. Like there are 41 mutual friends, okay? Mutual friends. Like I know 41 people who also follow them, and one of them was my actor. So of course, ego boosted, but also not, because um people don't know that he played in a movie that I did, because I never really told anyone, and I never really went around and said, "Hey, check out my movie." I never actually did that because I thought it's cringe. Um, wow, I didn't even know that. You know what? I will fulfill the cringe. Okay, after or during the DSEs, I'm gonna repost the trailers. I'm gonna re-edit my trailers so that I can show the guy's face, and when people see my trailer, like, oh, this dude from school made a movie, and oh wait, what? One of the characters is the guy from that organization? What the fuck? You know, they would be shocked. I am but a lowly worm. But yeah, that's basically the story here. Um, I finished Postmon 9, as you can see, and goddamn, it's torturous. Um, it's so repetitive, and I'm not trying to say that it's easy, you know, haha, nailed it. Oh, you know, it's not super easy. It's not that difficult either, but still, like, for fuck's sakes, it's so repetitive, it's so redundant, and it's so annoying. Um, and I think I'm already good enough at this. I think I should practice more paper two, the electives, because I think they are really important. So I'm going to do that now, and then afterwards I will slumber, right? I will slumber, and tomorrow I'll wake up at 6:30 once again, and hopefully I do not sleep back. I hold myself, you know, I hold myself from sleeping back. Let's go. But yesterday I actually fell asleep at around like 2 a.m., which is impressive. I've never slept this early for like 50 days or something, or 60, I don't know, or 90. It's April 23rd. No, 4th. It's 8:06 a.m. right now, and it is the last day before the battle. We are one day away from the fight. Come on, baby. Peanut butter and toast. Chocolachi. So it appears that I am I'm the person who woke up the earliest today in the entire family, which makes sense given that, you know, the battle had already begun, but only for people who take visual arts. I mean, just look at outside. There's a certain blandness to the views, to the weather. There's a certain um melancholy. That's when you know it's about to be the end of the world. Um, and also the end of the road for me. So, what am I going to do today? The last day before the ultimate battle. Also, I miscalculated. Apparently, there are 16 papers, not 18. What am I gonna do today? I'm gonna finish up Postmock 8. I haven't finished yet. Postmock 8 paper 2. I'm gonna print, a Postmock 10 later. And, or maybe now, I don't know. And then afterwards, I am going to film myself do the Chemistry 2019 DSE. I'm going to film the entire thing. I'm going to narrate it, talk about, my thought process behind answering some of the questions and calculations. And you'll see me struggle too, which is fun. And tonight, I'm going to save a couple hours of time just to pick the right clothes. And pick the right bag, pick the right stationaries and whatever, and be prepared. And then I'll take a shower, and then I'll sleep, and yeah. So I just corrected my post mock 8 paper 2, and I got a 30 out of 40, which is actually pretty good. I have improved when it comes to analytical chemistry. I did not improve for industrial chemistry. I got 14 for industrial chemistry out of 20, and 16 out of 20 for analytical, which is pretty nice. I did mess up the calculation bit again as well because I'm dumb. I also didn't know how to crystallize. Didn't know the exact steps. For industrial chemistry, my biggest mistake is I forgot. I simply forgot. Methanol is useful because it can be used to synthesize other commercial products. I'm correct in concept, but I should have written something like it can act as a starting material since it has only one carbon atom. Or for the synthesis of methanol, you only need 50 to 100 atmosphere pressure. I don't know that. Yeah, it's whatever. It's 12:45. I just spent a hefty amount of time correcting stuff. For post-mock 7, overall, I got a 100 out of 120, which is pretty fantastic. Probably the second best paper I've done. For post-mock 9, overall, I got a 96 out of 120, which is not bad, but needs, a little more polishing. And then afterwards, we have the mock. And I got a 31 out of 40. Respectively 14 for industrial and 17 for analytical, which is pretty great for analytical, but it seems like I have the 14 out of 20 curse for the industrial chemistry. Anyways, I will be having lunch about 45 minutes later, so I want to spend the time to finish post-mock 10, not the long questions, but the MCs, and if I have time, I'm going to do the long questions real quick, 1 second, and afterwards I'm going to register it because I just made a huge table in Google spreadsheet where I just basically register all my scores and stuff and statistics and all that good shit. So yeah, basically that's the stuff. Hey, ooh. Okay, just had lunch, had a very big-brained conversation with Natalie about chemistry, left and right, up and down, back and forth. Rumors said that they may cancel Buckminster Fullerene and copper electroplating or copper purifying, as well as what's the other one? Zinc carbon cell next year. So we gotta work hard on those 3 things. Also, we talked about the hydrogenation reaction between sodium hydroxide and triglycerides, which I right now still don't really understand. Like, can you, well, I guess triglyceride is one molecule, but does it really have to be? I don't know. And yeah, there's that. All right, this is going to be the second last chemistry paper. Actually, technically the third last, or actually the fourth last, because I want to do paper 2 as well, or maybe fifth last, because I want to do 3 papers too today. But I'm going to do post-mock 10 long questions, only 12 questions. Let's go real quick, 1 sec. What is this? It's a KC question? Oh, so annoying. I hate KC questions. Wait, what else do we have in here? High melting point. I can do that. I can do that shit. Chlorine's melting point is 172. When? It's probably not in degrees Celsius. Probably in Kelvin. Alright. Oh, not this. I hate this. Oh my god, it's an HO cell. What is this? Connectivity? Scammed. SF. Okay, I like this. Calculation question. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's speed this. Why is the silicon have a high melting point? Giant covalent structure. Let's go. Alright. Strong covalent bonds. Next point. My next point is strong covalent bonds. I need a high energy level to break it. Okay. Melting points of the other elements are following order. Okay, first of all, they all have van der Waals forces, I guess. No, wait, sulfur is a little higher though. What the frick? Oh, I know. Van der Waals forces increases with molecular size. So we got S8, P4, and Cl2. It makes total fucking sense. Yeah, boy. Okay, so just pretend that I've explained this. The rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide using manganese oxide is measured in the volume of various sorts of decomposition. What the fuck? Okay, so hydrogen peroxide, we want to collect hydrogen, I guess, and why? Oh, I know what to do. Oh, okay, this is weird. I don't think they're gonna syringe, bro, syringe. All right. All right, right together. Is it a reversible reaction? Well, I don't think so. So let's just do this. Hydrogen peroxide, the solution, I believe. Oxygen and hydrogen, yes, explosion. Next page. Oh my god. Calculate the total volume of oxygen formed. Measure. What happened again? Total volume of... Wait, but you already showed me. What? You already showed me. What? You already showed me in this graph. Yo, what the hell? What the hell? Isn't... Oh, we don't have the data. I'm dumb. What? 100 centimeters cube of 0.05 molarity. So, it's this thing, 0.05, boom. And then this thing times 24, boom. 0.12 dm cube. That's actually a lot, not gonna lie. Not a lot, but not that little anyways. I'm not gonna be super flowery. I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. You know what I'm talking about. Explain how the indices that in the formation of oxygen that then when it can be determined from the graph. Oh, duh. Draw tangent line, slope equals rate. I've done this question 4 times in the past couple of weeks already. The experiment was repeated using the same amount of powdered magnesium peroxide, but using this 115 times 0.04, 6 times 10 to the power of -3 instead of 5. So higher number of moles. So this thing is increased. And this thing initial rate is also increased because powder higher surface area, so more reaction increased because more increased number of moles of reactants. All right. Next, in an experiment, a mixture of coconut. Wow, I only spent like 4 minutes on question 10. Amazing. In an experiment, oh god, oh wait, oh no. What is what? What the fuck? Mixture of coconut oil and was heated gently with stirring for 15 minutes. So it's gonna turn to some alcohols and some soap. Soap was obtained upon, and it's already 4 p.m. I have finished postmark 10 long questions, and I got a 92 out of 120 overall, which is 76.6%. It seems like I have regressed. But actually, it's because the questions, the topics asked here is actually significantly different from that of other postmarks. So I'm actually glad that I had mistakes in this one, because now I get to learn more stuff, and I'm going to do postmark 10 paper 2 now, and then afterwards I will spend a while doing the WDID dub. What did I do wrong? And then afterwards I will wrap it up by doing the 2019 chemistry. I will film it. It'll be awesome. Fuck. I got a 29 out of 40 for postmark 10. Actually, for analytical chem, I got even less. I got 13 out of 20. I don't know what the fuck was this. It's an ester the whole time, not a carboxylic acid. And then for industrial chem, I got a 16 out of 20, even though I forgot some of the catalytic processes and all that good stuff. Yeah. But 29 out of 40, it's not the end of the world. Hopefully tomorrow I can do better. And I'm gonna take some rest now, and then later on we will do the fucking 2019. Yeah! Alright, I spent about an hour of time polishing my notes. You can see it's a huge mess, but it's all the little concepts and mistakes that I've done after I analyzed a whole stack of chemistry stuff that I did. And also I added a few more things. This is the hydrogenation thing that I haven't even completed. Yeah, so I'm going to do 2019 now. Let's go. Time now is 11:02 p.m. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna pack and sleep. I feel like I should make a separate video just to talk about my thoughts now. I completed 2019. If you've seen the videos, you know that I didn't do too well. It's not terrible though. I don't know what to say. Wow. I've been waiting for this moment for many years, and 9.5 hours later, my first battle out of 16 battles will begin. And it will, yeah. I'm gonna prepare what I wear tomorrow. I'm gonna pack my bags, prepare my armor, stuff. And then I'm gonna go to bed. Maybe some sleeping pills will help me. Maybe. I don't know. Leo's already asleep. He said he wanted to take a bath and sleep earlier, so he's definitely asleep now. Natalie's probably sleeping now as well. I probably should too. I can do this. I'm gonna fucking do this, man. Okay, so I wasn't planning on to making this video, but I just want to express my thoughts really, just real quick. 9.5 hours later, my first fight, my first battle out of these 16 battles that I'm about to face will begin. I still don't know how to take it, but I better sleep now because when I wake up tomorrow, I want my mind to be fully expanded. So yeah.